Alright, sup everyone. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a bit of a method that I've been using for quite a long time to basically on every channel to fatten up leads, vocals. I probably overuse it, but it's come to my attention that not many folks know about it, so that is what I'm going to bless you with today. So let's begin. Alright, so I got a bass here just for the demo. We can take a gander here. Obviously, by listening, it doesn't meet our base standards, so we're gonna begin the fattening process. So we'll begin as usual. Throw an OTT on there, get the time cranked all the way up, and for the output, I like to edge that line on the distortion, so I want to try to get that. It's usually as close to max as I can get it without allowing it to sound too shitty. So we're pretty up there, as you can hear. Then an EQ8 just to cut out some low end, maybe some highs, but you might want an EQ before and after the OTT just because low end takes up a bunch of headroom. But other than that, that's really pretty much it for pre-processing. And then we finally get to move on to the method. So I gotta move myself just to reveal it here. Yes, sir. So glue compressor is the fucking shit. So when you first load it up, it's gonna look like this, and you're gonna listen to your bass. You'll be like, "Yo, George, this does not work. It makes my shit quieter, right?" But you gotta keep in mind here, you gotta do some tweaks. So you gotta make sure the soft clip button is on, right? Turn that thing on, and then you're gonna listen again. Still not gonna do it. So the real trick here is the makeup gain, right? So this thing you can crank to a ridiculously high amount before it turns real shitty, as I'll kind of demonstrate here. So I gained an extra probably about 10 dB off of just that, which I will take. So that's how you get those really high LUFS readings, which I like personally. Loudness game, brother. So, but that obviously comes with a catch. There's always a catch. So anytime you add gain to something, as I'll do a quick demonstration here. As I was saying, when you add gain to anything, it's gonna bring out things that weren't originally there. So I'm gonna put this little EQ here to visualize. So you might think is here like, oh, there is there's no low end, right? Because you cut it out. But when you add the gain, well, as we'll see here, it brings all that mud back in there. So yeah, all you gotta really do is be conscious about that. And usually, if you're just bus mastering, it's gonna be cut out anyway. So you don't even need to do the two EQs. But just be aware, so you can get rid of some potential mudding issues. But yeah, dude, glue compressor is the Strat, and it's just all Ableton stock. You don't need 30 plugins, and yeah. So yeah, in conclusion, that is just kind of strategy that I've been using for quite some time. So if it does aid you in your bass making pursuit, definitely let me know. If it doesn't, definitely let me know. And yeah, subscribe.